Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder, Pat Trading Partners, along with Bob Iacchino. Already updated, we were doing some Tesla stuff intraday, already updated all the levels. It did go through all the levels. If you want to reference them again, they're on the last video we did. But we went through all the videos and got a pausing bar, which now gives us new areas to watch. So above 1087.69, we've got 1,110 to 1,112, really nice tight cluster there, and then 1,132 to 1,138. Then above that, we have about 1,188 to 1,196. Those are all your key levels to the upside. On a pullback, you see the breakout level right here. I'll mark it off. And slightly below that, but you can see how the rising rotation zone, so that's your about 10,025 is your first level key support, and then the 12.5% retracement updated from the most recent highs, along with the bottom of the rotation zone, along with this support shelf, is the pullback just under 1,995. Taking a look at the daily, you can see there minor support. I'd really be watching that 995, but you might have some minor support right around 1,010. And then major daily support all the way back down to 962 area. So nothing else to report. It's not yet overbought again on the daily basis because it drove sideways, letting the bottom of the rotation zone catch up, and then breaking out to the upside. So what we have for you on Tesla, and we'll talk to everyone later. Bye for now.